Hi builders, welcome to the booking app tutorial. My name is Jackie de Klerk, your success coach, and in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to use the tag function in the booking app and add a tag to a specific list in Mailing Boss so that you can automate your email sequences and send emails to just certain kinds of people depending on the tag that they have received. So right here in the Builderall booking app, I've already created a booking and I'm just calling it Builderall training. You can see that we have got two groups added into the section, and I've done this so that you can see how it works. You don't have to have two groups. I'm just giving you an example. And what we are going to do is we're going to edit this, and I'm not going to go through every section within the booking app because there's already a tutorial on how to set up everything inside of the booking app. I'm only going to look at the areas that's important so that your tag has been added correctly. So the first place we're going to go to is the scheduling area. And right here in this example, you can see we've got group 1 and group 2. The one is for e-commerce training and group 2 is going to be for blog training. So it depends on what the person is going to book. If they are going to book for training on the blog, they're going to be allocated the tag blog. If they're going to click on e-commerce training and they make a booking there, they will be tagged e-commerce. So let's see how to do that. Once you have set up your scheduling and the groups, if you are going to have more than one, I'm just going to click cancel. We're going to go to the important parts, which is the forms and redirect. Now in this area, you are going to add a hidden field. So all you need to do is click on add new field and you are going to choose hidden. Now I've already set this up. I'm just going to go to the existing one that we have right here and click on edit. You can see I'm just calling the title e-commerce. It is hidden. I don't have to add required because the client is not going to see this field. And the default value, you can have whatever you like. I just say e-commerce because it's for my own use. All right. So once that's done, you're going to click save and it will look like this that says it's a hidden field. You're going to do exactly the same if you have multiple groups. You really don't have to have, but I'm just giving you an example. So you can see those are the two tags that will be allocated to the user depending on what they are going to do. Once you have done that, I'm just going to click on cancel. The next step that you need to do to make sure that this automation works is you're going to go to the automation area. You're going to go straight down where it is by the subscribe a list. Now remember, you have to have a list that you've already created for this to work. So let's go now to Mailing Boss. In Mailing Boss, I've already created a list right here and it's called Builderall Training. So I'm just going to go to the forms area because the form that you have in Mailing Boss and the form in the booking app needs to be exactly the same. Otherwise, it's not going to collect the information that you're looking for. So right here on the default form, you can see we've just got email and F name. This could be maybe your newsletter. We are not going to make use of this form, but we are going to create an additional form. And the way to do that is just to click on this plus to add extras. Now the first one is e-commerce. You're going to drag and drop a simple text form to the block and it will look like this, empty. But I'm just going to delete it because this is exactly what it is. That is a text field. And then you're going to go back to your booking app and you're going to make sure that you choose the right one. So in this one, I'm going to choose group 1 and I'm going to click on available tags. You're going to scroll down and you can see there is the e-commerce. You're going to copy that. You're going to go to the list that you want to work with and you're going to paste it in your areas. I always just paste it everywhere because I don't mind what it is. I am the one that is going to work with that. And then make sure under the subscription form area that you make it hidden. That is really important. Once you're done, you're going to click on update. If you have got more than one, like I've got two different groups, you're going to do exactly the same with the other one and make sure that this field that you've added, in this case, is hidden. Now that you've done that, you're going to close and then you're going to see the Builderall training. You need to now go and allocate it into these different fields. Otherwise, it's not going to work. So in the subscribe to list on the group 1, we're going to choose the list that we want to use. You're going to go down, choose the list, click on ads, and it's going to show an area like this. So you can see for group 1, we've got e-commerce. For group 2, we've got the blog. And we know that this is working because it's all being set up correctly. Once you have done that and you set everything up, make sure to click save. Now we are going to test it. We're going to click on copy that link, and we are just going to go into the booking app itself. And you're going to see that we have got 2 different sessions. We've got e-commerce and blog training. So depending on which one you choose or your client is going to book for, that is the tag that they are going to get inside of Mailing Boss. So let's just go with the e-commerce, and we're just going to choose a random address, and we're going to click schedule. Now it's been scheduled. So I'm going to close this, and I'm going to do it a second time around, because this time now we are going to go with the blog training. So I'm going to click blog, and now I am going to use a different name, and I'm just going to do this. Oops, not like that. And I'm going to click schedule, so it's not the same one, and that has been done. So now we can go out of the wizard, and we're only going to work with the list itself, so I can show you how the tag was added. So in this case, I always refresh my screen. And now you can see that we've got 2 subscribers sitting right here. If we're going to go to the subscriber area, you're going to see that they've got two tags or fields that has been added, basically called sources. The one is blog, the other one is e-commerce. And you would be able to filter according to the sections that you want when you are going to start sending an email. So if I have to add a condition, remember this is a field. We're going to click on there. We're going to go to fields, and we are going to look for that specific one that you're working with. And let's say it's e-commerce, and we want it to be equal to the word e-commerce. So I'm just going to highlight the same one because that is what we created it with, remember? And if I enter search, it is only going to show me the person that is actually opted into for just e-commerce. And that is how you are setting up tags and to be able to automate your emails and your subscribers and send them specific emails. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. And if you've got any questions, please make sure to contact support, and I will see you next time. Bye.